Hello everyone, I am Pranav Dani. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have completed MSc Computer Science from PVG College of Science, Pune. Today's date is 2nd April 2022. Today's topic is the difference between C, C++ and Java. This is the original video. Let's start it. The first difference is the origin. The C developed in 1972 at Bell Laboratories by Dennis Ritchie. C++ is developed in 1975 and Java is developed by James Gosling in 1995. Now the concept. The C is called procedure oriented programming language. C++ is called object oriented programming language and Java is also called object oriented programming language. Now the file saves for C is by the name as .c. C++ store the file as .c++ and Java store file as .java. Now the next point is the file extension. When the file extension is called when we compile the code, the one file is created. The file is created is called the file extension of the file. The C created .exe file, the C++ also created the .exe file, and Java created .class file. The next one is pointer. Both both three programming language are use pointer, but C and C++ are use the pointer statically. That size are fixed. We have to declare the size of array in the C and C++, but in the Java we can not declare the size of array. Now next point is pointer. C support pointer. Pointer is a variable which which pointing to the address of next variable, and for the security purpose Java doesn't support pointer. Now the structure and union. Both C and C++ uses structure and union operator, but the Java doesn't support the structure and union. Now the next point is preprocessors. For preprocessor means for executing some instruction, we need to add some files or packages called as the preprocessor. The C uses the preprocessor like system.h, conio.h. C++ also use the same, but Java use the packages like util packages. The next point is approach, means top to bottom or bottom to top. The approach means from where code is executed. When we call the function or we call the method, the code is executed that method. It means C uses the top to bottom approach, C++ uses bottom to top approach, and Java also uses bottom to top approach. In Java and C++, in a main method, we calling the sub method. Therefore, we called it as the bottom to top approach. Now the garbage collection. Garbage collection means when we created the object, the particular memory of object is created. But when we not use that particular object, we have to distract it. We have to distract it from the memory allocation. In C, we have to do it manually by calloc malloc function. In C++ also we have to do it by manually, but Java support automatic garbage collection. Now the next point is exception handling. Exception handling means when for example if we have to do some mathematical operation, if we divide the 1 by 0, it is facing some error, but we have to handle that situation by adding the exception, that so user can understand we do something wrong. The C++ doesn't support the exception handling, but C doesn't support the exception handling. C++ and Java support the exception handling. Now the compiler and interpreted language. When we use the particular language, it is compile or interpreted. Compile the convert wholly source code into object code, but interpreter convert one by one code into execution. C language are only compiled code. C++ also use the compiler only, but Java first use the interpreter Then in Java, the concept of JIT compiler is used. It is called just-in compiler. The applications area of C is to develop Unix or operating system. In C++ is used for the mostly for system programming and maybe used for the gaming. The Java is used for the web applications, standalone applications, cloud-based applications, and mobile applications. That is all about the difference between C, C++, and Java. Thank you.